Get in here, get in here. Welcome to the second week of remote learning. I was excited and happy to meet each and every one of you this week or last week. Now I need your help. I'm missing about 40 of my sweet babies. If you would, please share this video with your friends that you have not seen in any of our Zoom sessions. This year we are doing something different. You have to log in for live instructions every day. Okay. Now, this week, we're going to learn about main idea, what the text is mainly or mostly about. Also, we're going to identify supporting details used to determine the main idea. We're going to work on homophones, words that sound alike but have different spelling and different meanings. Those are very confusing at times, but we're going to learn how to distinguish between the correct word. Not only that, y'all, we're back in school now. So that means we're going to have homework. Yes, homework. That's a part of learning. I need you to practice outside of your time with me. If you have any questions, as always, you could email or call me, reach out to Miss Potts or I, and we will respond between the hours of 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. Let's have another super fantastic learning week.